Hello, Randall here with your weekly content update for ArtStation Learning. This week we're actually covering 2 weeks of content that we've dropped, and we have 8 new classes that we're really excited to share with you. First up, we have 6 new courses from Michael Pavlovich. These are a continuation of his Intro to ZBrush series. We had launched the first 6 parts a couple months ago. He continues to build upon the same asset, a young basketball player, and teach more in-depth techniques and tricks for modeling in ZBrush. This nearly 17 hours of content is enough to get anyone up and running in ZBrush. In part 7, Michael takes the detour into rebuilding clothing in Marvelous Designer, before then coming back into ZBrush in part 8 and going into poly painting, hard surface modeling, organic Z-remesh and surface noise, Z-sphere topology, importing other assets into your model, and finally, in part 12, posing and rendering your asset for presentation on your ArtStation portfolio. Next up, we have the second part of Watercolor Fundamentals from Naomi Van Doren. This one is basic technique and color mixing. This is a fantastic course for anyone who is looking to watercolor and has struggled with mixing colors, getting smooth and soft gradients, hard and soft edges. Naomi covers a plethora of different techniques from dry brushing to wet on wet. If you're looking to watercolor, this course is unmissable. Finally, Jenny Harder returns to teach a fantastic character design course called Designing Characters with Personality and Expression. This course is a fantastic dive into how to approach designing characters for film and games. Jenny takes a deep look at understanding your characters so that you can know how to concept them properly and bring them to life and make them a real, breathing, living character, and more than just another piece of art. She goes through the entire design process all the way up to presentation for your portfolio. As always, all current and future content on ArtStation Learning is included in your Pro or Plus subscription. If you don't have a subscription and you would like to gain access to all Learning has to offer, as well as a host of other great features, you can go to artstation.com/subscribe and compare plans. Thank you for watching and being a part of the ArtStation community. Stick with us over the next couple weeks as we have some large and exciting content drops that we cannot wait to share with you.